In a blending jar, first we are adding the wet ingredients, which is the milk. Then I'm adding in melted butter. You can also substitute it with flavorless oil. 1 egg. Powdered sugar. The precise measurements are in the description box below. Please check it out. Then I'm adding the all-purpose flour. I'm adding in the cocoa powder. Baking soda. As well as pinch of salt. I'm also adding in juice of half a lemon and I'm going to blend all this together. So after blending, this is how the consistency should look like. Now in a baking pan, I'm going to grease the base as well as the sides of the pan with melted butter, or you can also use that flavorless oil. After that, I'm going to pour in the blended paste. Tap it twice and I'm going to place this in a preheated oven. I have preheated the oven at 180 degrees for 5 minutes and then I'm going to cook this at convection mode, that is the entire surrounding it cooks. Okay, every microwave oven is different, so bake according to your oven. So I'm going to bake this at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the topping. So in a small vessel on low flame, I have taken in milk. To that I've added in the sugar. To that I'm adding in cocoa powder. Keep the flame as low. I'm going to add in a pinch of salt, going to mix all this well and bring it to boil. After bringing it to boil, I'm going to boil this for about 5 to 7 minutes on low flame. Then I'm going to switch off the flame, filter this completely so that we don't have any lumps. Okay, I'm going to filter this and keep this aside. Let us check on our cake. Yes, our cake is ready. As you can see, it is very moist and soft. I'm going to transfer this onto a base plate. See how perfect the texture has come. It's super soft and moist. I'm going to flip this and keep the uneven side at the top. Now I'm going to gently pour in the filtered chocolate topping all over the cake like this. Remember that it will spill at the sides. Pour the entire contents onto the cake like this. So since it's going to spill at the sides, I'm going to transfer it into a wide plate at the base and evenly distribute the entire topping all over the top as well as the sides or edges of the cake. Like this. Don't forget to check the description for detailed measurements of the ingredients. So make sure that the chocolate, the sauce is covering the top and as well as the sides of the cake. And after doing this, refrigerate it for about half an hour. So after half an hour, it is ready to be served. So you can see how moist, juicy and soft the cake is. I cannot tell how soft and moist it was. I'll show you at the end of the video how moist it was while I was eating it. Okay, so you can make a double layer cake like this and put the sauce in between and then make it, you know, a double layer cake also like this, baking two, you know, parts of this cake. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And if you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I post videos on cooking, etc. So guys, enjoy this one blender moist chocolate cake, and it is super soft and moist. So enjoy this cake and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye bye.